Bring you something different. I bring you HVAC from the Basilica. Doo-doo-doo-doo. So this is what's going on. Again, the parking dock, loading dock, that's what it's called. You remember before, that looks all nice and seamless where they dug up. They are building up here. Still a big hole. Some guy was in it yesterday, and I'm sure again today. They probably added that box there on the wall. But what's interesting today is these little things that are right here. I don't know what they are, but they line all the way around. But that was yesterday. It wasn't worth a video. But now today they've added some kind of ductwork or I don't know. Something. So, oh, let me come over here and see what we can see. Let me zoom out a bit. Uh-oh. There we go. Sorry. Phone doing weird stuff. This is the chair graveyard. They're all on timeout. Let's see what we can see out of this window. Oh, didn't do that, right? Well, we'll just go through the slats, I guess. So he was doing some welding a minute ago. You know, everyone can't be a photographer. Let's just leave it there. This is what we'll do. So this is what's going on over here. I don't know if we'll ever get a better view of this, but I don't think I've ever actually looked at this building from this vantage point. Our windows are filthy as usual. And I guess that's it. I don't know. Can't see much over here. I'll do another video for that, so we won't worry about that. But yeah, that's what's going on. For all of you who haven't been here, 405. Little side shot of Jesus. Boop. All right.